Hello, and welcome to an exciting session of using Blender for video editing. So exciting that I was thinking about using my party popper to celebrate, but maybe I'll save that for the 1,000 subscribers on this channel. Anyway, so what's so exciting? I just learned about some features with the preview of the video sequence editor that makes things really easy in terms of positioning and sizing clip content. Okay, so let's get started. You can see on my screen here, I have a scene with 4 strips in total. I have 2 images, one of them is transparent. I have a short video clip and a long video clip. So one common thing that we do is move things around on the screen. For example, you would take a logo and you would resize it, maybe stick it into the corner. And before today, I would have told you to click on the item that you want to modify, and you would go to the transform, and then you could adjust the positions using position X, position Y, and adjusting the scaling with all of these different fields. The exciting thing I've just learned about is that you can use drag and drop right here inside of the preview. Just check this out. So I already have this one selected. I can just click and drag and move it wherever I want. I can do that for all of these things. And the neat thing about it is that in addition to moving it, you can also resize and rotate. So you can see there's a little arrow here, and if I click on that or press the letter T on the keyboard, it gives you these different buttons that you can click on to perform these actions. Like, for example, I can click on this, and then now this is a rotation. So I can rotate that around as I please. But just like with other editors, or even from here, if I wanted to move this on the timeline, I would press G here in the sequencer and I could move that around. Same thing here in the preview. If I press G, then I can just start moving it around and then click to finish. I can press the letter R to do my rotations. And I can press the letter S to scale. All of that, very easy to do. All within here, so you can make things a little bit easier for yourself by just making this bigger and then making the changes you want. So if I wanted, like, I can scale that down a bit here and then move that off to the side, and then I'll select this one, and same thing, I'll scale that to about this amount and maybe stick that to the corner. Then I'll select the G.I. Joe, scale that about this much, and then stick that over here. And then finally, this one over here, bring that to this corner. It's really as simple as that. So now you know, get to it. This is great news. I have no idea when they implemented this, but it's going to make things so much easier. I mean, of course, you could always still use the properties within the different strips to get that fine control, and of course do things that you can't do over here, like cropping. So for that, you would go down to the crop panel. But for just positioning, scaling, rotation, everything can be done in here. So hope you liked that. If you did, please do give this a like and subscribe so you can see more content when it comes. Thanks, and bye now.